One more paragraph here, then we'll take a brief break as well. This means this one thing you can do, forgetting those things that are behind, those things that are in the past, forget your old story. It has no backing. It's just something that happened. You can press toward the mark of filling your mind with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. What do we say in our paradigm shift challenge? $100,000 of chump change. When you say $100,000 of chump change every single day, we're on day 18 or 19, whatever it was today, right? We have our paradigm shift challenge dominating your mind with the feeling that $100,000 is not a lot of money. Your feeling around money shifts so that you now allow yourself to receive an extra 10 grand this month. Why? Because you feel differently. It doesn't feel like a lot anymore. Guess what it feels like? It's easy. It's easy to feel good. It's easy to have more money roll in. It's easy to get more business in. It's easy. Why? Because $100,000 is chump change. You fundamentally change your consciousness shift around money and abundance. Bang, things shoot like a rocket. Okay, I've had a few of you, I just haven't shared them yet in the group there. Your income has completely exploded in the last couple months, right? Especially this month by saying this paradigm shift challenge. Your thought energy around money is completely different by changing the belief and reevaluating the concept around money. Forgetting your old story. Start saying a new one. Okay. Another call for questions. Good. All right. Let's go to the next one. To the unenlightened man. Ooh, that's a good line. To the unenlightened, that's the people not on these calls. Whether it's this call or whether it's another program, another coach, whatever. To the unenlightened man, this will seem to be all fantasy. Our family and our friends most times will say, oh, come on, that motivation rah-rah. Are you attending one of those calls again? Well, you're getting brainwashed. You shouldn't attend that stuff. You're spending how much money on a program? I think it's all fantasy. Oh, you're going to think about something and it's going to come into physical reality. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, you're shutting your eyes out on the thing, meditating. Oh, yeah, I'm sure that does a lot. The unenlightened people, right? To the unenlightened man, this will seem to be all fantasy, yet all progress comes from those who do not take the accepted view, nor accept the world as it is. You don't accept that you're in this situation. And when you don't accept it, it starts to leave. You are responsible for what you need to take care of in this physical spot that you're in, absolutely, and then don't accept it. I'm not going to accept living in this area. I don't want to accept this lifestyle. I want to accept something bigger, something grander for my life. As was stated heretofore beforehand, if you can imagine what you please, and if the forms of your thoughts are as vivid as the forms of nature, you are, by virtue of the power of your imagination, master of your fate. Pretty good. You are master of your world. Got some good notes written down. Hey, quick check-in. Let's go ahead and raise our hands here that everyone's good to go. You got it. Everything's here. You're following along. You're taking good notes. Almost everyone's hands here. Maybe one or two of you are on Instagram or something. Hope not. Easy to be distracted. Let's do it. Your imagination is you yourself in the world as your imagination sees it as the real world. When you set out to master the movements of your attention, which must be done if you would successfully alter the course of observed events, successfully alter your physical world, it is then you realize how little control you exercise over your imagination and how much of it is dominated by sensory impressions and by drifting on the tides of idle moods. What does that mean? What do you think? Only when you get into a program like this or a program like it, doesn't matter what it is, and you start to literally be aware of your thoughts and feelings, do you finally realize how much domination your actual physical world has. Your bank account, your current bank statement, your business, your relationships, right? We've talked about relationships a ton in the last month, right? When it's like, how do you stay in control of yourself when you don't have a spouse on the same wavelength? Or how do you upgrade your relationship? It's not changing the other person. It never will be, and it never has been. Okay? It's changing the vibration going on within. You have a fundamental concept, or whoever's in a relationship here that want to change it, the fundamental concept around that relationship is you're always the people to do blank. You're always the people to argue. You're always the people to be kind, whatever it may be, positive or negative, right? To successfully alter the course of observed physical events in your world, to change, to upgrade, it is then you realize how little control you exercise over imagination until you take a grip over it, until you start changing the way you're thinking. Very good. Last paragraph here. When you attain control of the internal direction of your attention, you will no longer stand in shallow water, but will launch out into the deep of life. You will walk in the assumption of the wish fulfilled as on a foundation more solid even than earth. Pretty solid.